Free on the train. Free on the train.
YouTube family, what is going on with everyone today? Hope everyone is feeling good and as energetic as I am today, man. Your boy got that package in, man, that I have been waiting oh so long for, man. Like, this shipping stuff has been driving people crazy, and I am one of those people, man. Like, look, bro, whenever I purchase some shoes, I want them ASAP, man. I hate waiting almost a month to get shoes, man. Look, I'm running out of videos to watch, man, on YouTube. I'm watching every, y'all let me know down in the comment box if y'all feel what I'm saying. You get to clicking on every video of that shoe until that shoe come. Boy, hey, I done ran out of videos to watch. But yes, man, your boy got that package in today, and it is a grail for your boy. This is one of the shoes that I had wanted, man, at the All-Star Weekend break. This was, like I said, I wanted the Jordan 5 Off-Whites, which I did get my hands on for a hefty price, crazy. But I also wanted the New Beginnings pack. Didn't get my hands on those, but I don't think I'm gonna get my hands on. I ain't gonna say no, but I ain't gonna hold you. Ain't no way I'm paying $2,000 for them shoes. But I actually did get the Air Jordan 1 Low Gym Reds, which kind of, you know, satisfied my urge for those shoes, because I did just want the 85 Gym Reds, and the lows, hey, they'll work for me. I'm not gonna spend no $2,000 on shoes. But anyway, back on topic. What else? The Chicago 3s. I was able to get my hands on those, and that third pair, which is the reverse 85 Breds. Couldn't get my hands on, but I did pull the trigger on them about 3 weeks now, 3.5 weeks ago. It's been a little minute, bro. I forgot. I'm gonna give you the exact date once I crack open into the box. But yeah, man, the price has dropped on those. They were going for around like $1,100-1,200 back when they released. But since, you know, this pandemic, and I don't even know if it might be something to do with the you know, the pandemic stuff going on, why prices have dropped. But I went ahead and pulled the trigger because I do see these shoes going back up in price sometime in the future. So I went ahead and grabbed them now. You know, while they were going for the low ski, you know what I'm saying? Not really low ski, but compared to what they were going for, the low ski. But yeah, man, we about to get into that. But if this is your first time stopping through, checking out any of the family's content, or y'all are returning but y'all have not yet joined the family, go ahead and join the family, y'all, by hitting that subscribe button, y'all. We are grinding, y'all, to hit that goal of 20K, and we are approaching 17K, man. It is amazing, man. I thank each and every one of you guys for the support. Thank y'all for clicking on the video. And yeah, man, hit that like button for your boy, and also drop a comment down below. Y'all know I read all the comments. I'm getting back to everyone. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, y'all. Let's do it. Bang! As I said, y'all, I did get that package in from GOAT. Finally, I'm gonna let y'all know, like I said, the exact date on how long this shoe took to come, because I do get a lot of people asking me how long does it take to ship it from GOAT. I'm gonna tell y'all straight up, like, usually without all this crazy stuff going on, it'll take you about, I'm gonna say anywhere from like a week and a half to 2 weeks. You know, really, it's quite a bit that factors into it. Not really. The main key is when the seller ships the shoe to GOAT. So depending on the speed of how fast the seller ships the shoe to GOAT, it'll get your process sped up. But you know, I'm gonna roughly say about a week and a half to 2 weeks. But since, you know, all this stuff that has been going on, man, you looking at about anywhere from 3 to 3.5 to a month on getting these shoes, y'all. It's been kind of ugly, y'all. But I'm about to get into this box. Let me put on some gloves real quick, and we'll pick back up, y'all. There you go. All right, y'all, we back like we never left, man. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Yes. Damn. I don't want this too close to my face. But yeah, man. checking it out, opening it up. We do got that bright red Fearless Jordan 1 box. Shiny right there. But let me go ahead and take it out. If I could. There we go. Don't need that. But what I do need to do is, dang, I hate when my boxes be ripped, man. Damn, I hate that shit. But anyways, let's go ahead and wipe this down real quick. Alright, y'all, so we all disinfecting down, man. Looking real glossy, looking real shiny. But let's check it out, man. Taking a look at the size tag on these. It does read Air Jordan 1 High 85. Size 9. Color blocking on this one is Varsity Red, Black, Varsity Red. And these did retail for $200. I think this is one of the few Air Jordan 1s that retailed at $200. But let's go ahead and check it out, man. I have not seen these shoes in person, so this is gonna be a first for your boy. And I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion on them. So cracking open the lid. Do got our, you know, lot number, stamp, all that stuff on the lid, yada yada. And did come with that GOAT sticker. Does have the GOAT verification card. Oh, I dropped it. Hold on one second. But it does show you all the steps as far as the things that they did to verify the shoe. Everything is stamped off. But looking at the paper, it does have your Air Jumpman. Well, your Air Jordan Wings logo. You do got a Jumpman, and you do have 2-3. So you got those 3 logos or symbols on there. And we open it up, and got a dust bag right here. So let's go ahead and let me unbox it, man. Let me sit down real quick and get all this stuff out. So taking out this right here. Let me throw this one back here in the back. Hold on. And first things first, before I get into it, let me show y'all what number I got. So the pair I got is, and this looks, man, I thought this was like a metal tab or something. This is like, it looks like, it's very cheap, man. It looks like it's just like something that's ironed on there. But I do have, if it'll focus, number, what is that, 6,470 out of 23,000. So that's my numbered pair, y'all. And as I said, let me put this back here, get the other shoe out real quick. And let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. Leave that back there for a quick second. So it does come in that Nike dust bag, as you can see. And I was hearing things as far as this dust bag can bleed onto the shoe, so that's why they have it inside of this, you know, this paper, this tissue paper inside of there. But I don't know how true that is, but I'm not even gonna risk it. I'm gonna keep it inside that paper because I'd be mad as hell if I mess up this shoe that I paid as much money as I did for it. But nothing else inside the dust bag. Put that back here. Presentation, hope it don't fall. But check out the shoe, man. Let's check it out. Check it out. Ooh, okay. Okay. Dang. Okay. We got, bam, the Air Jordan 1 High 85, guys, man. Them things are in the collection. And just off the back, one thing I do see that stands out that I notice is different from any other Jordan 1 is this midsole. As you can see, it does have a lot of like grooves and stuff, like it's detailing on it. Like, I don't know if this is how the Jordan 1s were back in the day, but it does have a lot of grooves and stuff on this midsole. And you know, I do see a little bit of grooves on my other Jordan 1s, but it is not as defined as this one is. But that's one thing that stands out, y'all. But yeah, man, let me get y'all a quick review of these, y'all. Looking at that outsole, you do got that gym red, varsity red outsole that they're calling it. And this midsole, it doesn't look like a pure white. It does have a slick sail look to it. So it's not a fully pure white that you have on this. And moving up, you got your hits of this red. This is like that darker red. It's not like a vibrant, like a popping red. It's more of a darker red that you have on this shoe. And the quality is it's, you know, it's that stiff, tough type of leather, but it does, like I said, I'm not feeling it with my naked hand. I do have on gloves, but I do I feel quality in it, you know what I'm saying? Like, it does feel like it's possibly some sort of an upgraded leather. Although it feels very stiff, it is a form of an upgraded leather. I could tell, you know what I'm saying, just by feeling it. It's a lot stiffer, you know what I'm saying? Pause, but yeah. But yeah, man, taking a look at the toe box on these, you do get that black toe box, glossy, like a matte type, not really a matte black, but you know, glossy type toe box you have on there. And these, boy, I see a major crease coming right here, boy. I see a major crease, but you do got that. Taking a look at the side, you do have that black side panel here. You do get that red swoosh. I can't tell too much of a difference as far as the cut, as far as the high cut. I'm kinda, you know what I'm saying? But it's not that much of a difference as far as looking at it and saying that this is a higher cut. It's really almost the same. But you do have that there. You do get your black Air Jordan Wings logo on these, which is in like a matte finish. That's like a matte black finish right there. But taking a look, you do get red laces included, OG lace inside the shoe. I'm pretty sure the other shoe has the spare laces that it's supposed to come with. But yeah, man, you do get this, your size and that style code or whatever number that is that you have on the inside of there. Taking a look at the inside before we get there, but you do have a black nylon tongue on these with your red Nike Air written on there, your Jordan Nike logo branding on the back, and I do see that we do have a code number underneath that back of that tab on there. So you do get that code number back there, and it does come with that that old school style sizing stuff inside there. It won't clear up, but you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what that is. Yeah, you see it right there. But yeah, you do have that inside there. See if we can take a look at the sizing tag, kinda. But size tag, these were manufactured from, what is that? 8 is August. Yeah, August through November of last year. So 3-month production on these shoes. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other shoe real quick. Let me grab that and see those other things that it come with. All right, there is the other shoe right here. It does come with an extra set of black laces. I see here, extra set of black laces rolled up like that, as well as this I guess a sneaker card that shows, you know, the aesthetics and stuff of the shoe. So you guys want to pause that, take a quick take a quick look at that real quick. Yep, but that's what that card looks like. As I said, it just comes with one set of extra laces. I won't be hitting you guys with that on feet of these because, man, your boy is probably just gonna put these on ice, man. This gonna be a shoe that it's got to be an occasion for me to pull these out, y'all. And we are supposed to be getting a low top version of these shoes. I'll probably put it up right there on the screen for y'all, but it is identical to these. It's just in a low top version, very similar to the Gym Reds that recently released. But those, I will hit y'all with the on feet on those, and it'll be practically the same thing, like I said, because it's the same shoe, just in a low cut version. But like I said, man, these going on ice, bro. These ain't ain't gonna do it yet with these. It's gonna be an occasion when I pull these out, and I will hit y'all with that photo of them on my Instagram. So if y'all don't follow me on IG, make sure you follow me on IG. But yeah, let me know, y'all. Bam! Which one of y'all rocking with, bro? We brought out the OGs. We had to. Which one y'all rocking with? Y'all rocking with the OG, or y'all gonna reverse it on them? But yeah, man, I'm glad to have these in the collection. Pick up from Go, as I said, it took a little while for the shipping and stuff, but it's because of everything that's going on. And yeah, man, that'll do it for this video. Thank y'all for watching another one of the videos. Make sure y'all hit that like button for your boy. And like I told y'all, these videos gonna keep coming to y'all, man. I thank y'all for the positivity, the support, and let me know in the comment box, OGs, or we gonna reverse on them, y'all. Y'all let me know. And yeah, man, you gotta be a playmaker. As you see the shirt, you gotta be a playmaker in life, man. Y'all make things happen. But I thank everybody in the fam for rocking with your boy JayTheSneakerGuy, checking out with that Grail pickup. Got that Grail pick. Oh, move that out the way. We got them OG, them 85s, them high 85s in the building, man. And then not OGs, but these are the OGs. But yes, we got the high 85s in the building. But y'all let me know which one y'all rocking with. Your boy JayTheSneakerGuy checking out until my next one. So till then, man, y'all stay blessed. I am gone, y'all. Peace.